My coat is not thick enough for this weather. Nice ang Utrecht. What time is it, Dodong?
Ja.
It's 12.
Ja, 12 o'clock.
Goedemiddag.
12 o'clock Dutch time. 7 o'clock in the evening in Filipina.
Long time no vlog. It's been more than a week, yeah. The last vlog was 26th December
2020.
2020, yeah. We are on our way to Utrecht.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do in Utrecht during the lockdown?
Yeah, that's the thing. Show you the Domtoren.
Yeah, we're gonna just walk around. We're still on lockdown, so everything is closed, of course, except for the supermarkets and other some like shops,
Some shops, yeah.
like selling essential goods or kuan nga services, importante nga services. To go, it'll be my first time to go around Utrecht, and Lord said it's a little bit similar to Amsterdam.
A little bit.
Yeah, we were in Amsterdam a month ago.
Yeah,
A month ago, and at that time some shops were still open, so it was still okay. The windmills are working well.
Yeah.
Continue on A27 for 3
You will not
kilometers.
see route sa iyang chocolate. Utrecht. Siyempre, mas daghang tao, no? Kay city man siya nga dako. So, gikan mi diha na mi sa base nakapark. Kinsay nakasabaan og pulis ganina. Kay wa nagmas. My coat is not thick enough for this weather. Nice ang Utrecht. So sa ubos na ay mga
Indian restaurant.
may mga restaurant sa ubos. So kung normal times lang na ako na yung maglingkod sa diha sa gawas, ay sitting area sa gawas. Still more. We're on the shopping street. Close lang tanani, oh. This is so Netherlands. Ay, so lakaw ramino. Wala may shops na open except for coffee shops.
It's open.
What's that? It's a coffee shop.
Yeah, they don't sell
Except
coffee, bro.
for coffee. Huh? What is that?
They sell cannabis.
Oh, cannabis. This good. Open daw ang coffee shop pero cannabis. So this is so much like Amsterdam. Like
Yeah.
this one.
It's always in construction.
Dapat more tayo sa tower. Dome tower?
Domtoren, ja. Ja, Domtoren.
But this is under construction. But nice. Oh, this more. Really nice one. Oh, ano siya.
So there's the dome under. You can go under the ground, under the tower.
So, manulod mi sa simbahan. Pero tinanamong katugnaw. Pero it has a cold.
Getok now.
Tugnaw means cold. We need to wear a mask bang if you wanna go in. So, padulong na mi balik sa mall. Ako, lakaw rami dere. There are more people here because it's a big city. So
Yeah.
even though it's on lockdown, when you were at the church, outside the church there are like not so many people, but
Ooh, someone's having a cold.
unsaon gud. Tugnaw siya, no? Tugnaw kayo, no? Grabe. Really cold. Nice for you. I think I like. Did I say it? Well, I like Amsterdam. No, I like Utrecht more than Amsterdam. The colors are really beautiful, Bob. Can you see? It's always more stable with a tripod. So, we are on our way back to the mall where we parked.
The mall itself is closed.
Yeah. Hello.
Hier, first Filipina. You said one of Filipina.
Wait daw. Na ako nakita ang Filipina. The good thing about Filipinos when we meet Filipinos in other countries, like when we see each other, well, we just kind of understood, like, you know, it's, oh, I see somebody Filipina like that or Filipino, and we just nod or
How
smile.
do you understand it?
Yeah.
Directly, see it directly that they Filipino.
Yeah. So
It
it's
looks
starting.
It looks like old Greek, but
Yeah, here, like, yeah, Ruth is half Greek. Nay, he's 100% Dutch. Are you sure you're 100% Dutch, Bong?
yeah, they didn't prove it to me, but I think so.
Shopping, we could go shopping, but here I don't know, Bang. I kind of feel the atmosphere more than Amsterdam.
It looks more comfy, strong.
Yeah.
It looks smaller.
Not only that, but I think the atmosphere itself. I mean, it's not like I've gone around Amsterdam, but mas ganahan ko sa atmosphere sa Utrecht.
The schoorsteen.
Oh, we're not going to McDonald's there.
Yeah, we can.
Nee. We're going to KFC. Do you prefer KFC to McDonald's?
Yeah.
Waarom? Why?
Because McDonald's is everywhere in Nederland. The KFC not everywhere.
Okay.
But I like kip, eh? High five.
Yeah, Ruth's favorite food is kip. I think he can't go by a day without kip.
I can.
And chocolate.
Chocolate and kip.
So galakaw-lakaw rami no. Ulaw ka ayo kay. Nadala-dala ko sa akong camera. I said it's a little bit uncomfy. Or closer to that one, Bong, with the chimney. It's a really nice. Oh, I thought it's a house. It's a shop. Hollister shop. Tanawa. Nice kayo. With that chimney. But it kind of feels nice to walk around and it's not so crowded.
that one when you were in Amsterdam, it was really busy by the Bijenkorf, you know?
What?
And there was a big line when you were in Amsterdam at the Bijenkorf, outside.
Kijk Wang.
Yeah.
I think we're close to the...
Yeah, because
Oh,
who got
this
the
is
right?
the...
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, Buang.
Yeah.
I don't have a mask.
Oh, KFC.
We're here.
High five. What do you want to
So,
order, one?
Magkuhan sa amin no, mangaon sa
Just
amin.
skip?
I was just telling Ruth, I like this one. I like this building. Medyo bumpy na na. Naka-charge akong phone. We are on our way back to Schijndel.
Yeah.
I actually haven't mentioned Buang that we live in Schijndel. Schijndel.
You mentioned where it is, one?
It's in North Brabant. So, mao na to among laag sa Kuan, Utrecht. If wala lang mi nag-lockdown, we could have visited many other places. But ang sightseeing spots kay Kuan mostly closed. So, maybe we can come back here when Anna's a little bit older.
Yeah.
Like,
But they have them in the malls too. In most cities they have them. Like
Yeah.
the really old, tall, small buildings.
Yeah.
See, they all...
really nice. I like them. Bitaw, I haven't had Japanese food and Korean food in
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
not the real sushi.
No, it was from the supermarket, I know.
Yeah, one time Ruth bought sushi set, a little set from Yumbo. And then one time I also bought
From
one
Yumbo?
from Spar.
Oh, the other one was...
The sushi
I
set.
think from Lidl.
And then one time, Ruth's mother bought sushi.
Yeah.
Yeah, this small car is nice too.
That's typical woman car. Same as...
So we will be home in around 50 minutes.
Yeah, something.
So, babalikan ko kayo mamaya. As Tagalog, Papa.
Yeah?
I'll get back to you later. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Balikan tamuon niya in Cebuano. Balikan
Balikan.
tamo
Tamo.
unya.
Balikan. Tamo.
Tamo unya.
Unya.
Unya means later.
Ah, okay.
So yeah. Ruth also needs to learn Cebuano so that when we go back to the Filipina, he can talk to everyone in Cebuano. Or
Can speak in English. And maybe if everybody watch your vlogs in Cebu, they can speak Dutch by the time I'm there. So
You wish. So anyways, I'll see you guys at home, maybe. Abot na mi na ang babae tara, naghangad-hangad. She likes the light. Hetlich, Zevin, hetlich, leuk. Ana is here naami sa mama ni Ruth. I vlogged today, Anna. Kay kang gwapa na mga love. Hey. She's Mama. So I'm gonna close the vlog, Bong. I'm gonna close the vlog here. So I hope everyone had a happy New Year.
oh, I want to wait, but
Anna.
she had you here.
Yeah, that's it. Hey. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!